Guys, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to freeze a frame in Davinci Resolve 19. Now, as you can see here on my timeline, guys, I have a quick video here that I'm going to play. It's basically water splashing onto a lemon, and I'm going to freeze a part of the frame and show you how that works. So let's do it. So what you want to do, you want to find that part of the clip that you want to freeze. So let me take, for example, here, and just simply press Ctrl B on your keyboard to make a split and find another section where you want to freeze, and just make another split there so that you can have the part that you wish to split, so that you can have the part that you wish to freeze. Now, this part of the video that you wish to freeze, let me go ahead and expand it so you can see. This part of the clip that you want to freeze, you simply want to right click on that part of the video, and you want to click and change clip speed. Now from here, you want to click on freeze frame and simply click and change. No, that's going to change. Now, what you want to do, guys, just simply go ahead and move the part of the video, and you want to go ahead and find that freeze part of that frame, and you want to simply drag it drag it to the way you want. Now, let's go ahead and play it so that you can see what it looks like. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So if you're looking for a way how to freeze a frame, all you have to do, just find the part of the video that you want to freeze, split it, and then you want to click on it, right click, change speed, and then you can select the freeze frame, and then you can just adjust it to the length you want afterwards. And that's it. Very easy and very simple how to freeze frame in DaVinci Resolve 19.